Hello students, welcome back to our channel Softline Institute. In today's class, we are going to cover about the animations to augmented reality. मतलब हम animation से पढ़ेंगे कि AR पर किस तरीके से यहाँ पर शिफ्टिंग्स हो रही हैं. So do you all know about augmented reality? तो जिसको नहीं पता वो आज की क्लास में सीख जाएगा कि augmented reality क्या है. AR bringing animations to augmented reality. Adobe Aero is pioneering interactive 3D experiences in augmented reality without the need of complex coding. इसमें कोई complex coding की भी need नहीं है. With the AR market projected to reach a staggering $361.7 billion by 2028. Then Adobe Aero launched in 2019 stands at the forefront, seamlessly bridging the gap between designs and augmented reality. ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन गिवन है. Then the rise of immersive experiences. Immersive experiences का जो rise है उसके बारे में देखते हैं क्या लिखा है. User demand. Consumers increasingly seeks interactive real-world digital content that blends seamlessly with their environment. तो यहाँ पर जो है वो क्या है? It is the digital content. What is it? It is the digital content. Then the growing adoptions यहाँ पे लिखा है इतने million US adults use the AR monthly, demonstrating widespread acceptance and integrations into daily life. Increases the engagement भी यहाँ पर increase हो रही है कैसे? Animated AR experiences boost user engagement by 40% compared to static augmented reality content. Then industry integration sectors like retail, education and entertainment are rapidly adopting AR to transform users interaction. तो जो हमारे इंडस्ट्री के सेक्टर्स हैं वो भी क्या कर रहे हैं? AR को अपना रहे हैं. The demand for immersive digital content is surging with millions of users engaging with AR monthly. Engage हो रहे हैं AR के साथ monthly. This shift is driving rapid adoption across diverse industries. Next, introducing Adobe's Aero design for AR. What is it? Adobe Aero provides an intuitive interface, making it easy to create captivating, interactive, augmented reality experiences. Cool यहाँ पर जो cool interactive reality जो experiences हैं वो यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं. It is specifically designed for designers and artists, minimizing the need for extensive coding, allowing creative professionals to focus on their artistic version. ताकि सभी अपने artistic versions पर focus कर सकें उसके लिए है. Then it enables the direct placement of digital assets into the real world through compatible mobile devices. It supports a flexible workflow across iOS, Android, and Meta and desktop platform, ensuring broad accessibility for the creators. Okay. Next, core animation capabilities in Aurora Animation. Path animation. Define custom movement path for object to create dynamic and realistic motions in AR. Interactive triggers होते हैं. Animate objects based on user interactions like taps, gas or proximity, bringing digital elements to life. Digital elements को life में लाने के लिए. Keyframe animation import supports the importing rich 3D models with preset animations. Platforms like Maxamo, streamlining characters and animation. Then the sequence animation. Gain precise control over the playback of layered animation in different stages for complex AR scenes. Pre-built behaviors. यहाँ पे कुछ pre-built behaviors हैं. Utilize 5 types of pre-built behaviors such as spin, bounce, and scale for quick and effective animation. Adobe Aurora Animation offers a robust suite for animation tools, empowering designers to create sophisticated and interactive AR experience with ease. So जैसे Aurora Animation है, Aurora Animation का ही यहाँ पर अच्छे से पूरा explanation है किसमें theoretical part में. Seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, Photoshop and Illustrator. These all are also softwares. Seamless import to the assets and convert them into 3D objects for AR experiences. Cloud-Snake projects. Benefit from Cloud-Snake projects, enabling collaborative workflows and easy assets sharing. Dimension and Substance 3D. Bringing in complex 3D models and materials directly from other Adobe 3D tools. मैक्सिमो इंटीग्रेशन पे देखते हैं तो इजीली रिंग 3D characters and import ready to use animations to populate your AR scenes. Then there are some board shape formats. Import common 3D formats including FBX and GLB and USD and ensuring capability with diverse assets. ओके तो ये थी हमारी आज की क्लास जिसमें हमने अरोरा एनिमेशंस के बारे में देखा। अरोरा एनिमेशन और एरो के बारे में हमने पढ़ा यहाँ पर, जिसमें हम ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी की भी बात कर रहे हैं कि सॉफ्टवेयर्स के साथ साथ किस तरीके से जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं वो भी चेंज हो रहे हैं टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ साथ, और कैसे हमें एआई का इंटीग्रेशन भी हो रहा है। सो आज की थ्योरेटिकल क्लास में इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच।